Hello traders, welcome back to aproscalper. Today we're diving into a topic that could completely change your view of trading. At its core, trading isn't just about buying and selling. It's a business of trading the price action. Many people fail to grasp this. We often get caught up in the vertical bullish or sharp bearish candles, leading to uncontrolled FOMO entries. But few realize that whether the price is high or low, the nature of trading activity remains the same. And in this video, we will analyze this mindset and how a professional scalper can turn it into a powerful advantage. And now let's move on to the first part of today's topic. What does trading the price action really mean? It's not about trying to predict whether the price will go up or down. Instead, it's about waiting for the market to show you a clear picture and then taking action. It's like running a business. You couldn't buy a product to sell before understanding the market demand. It's the same in trading. We need to wait for the price action to form combinations of multiple candles to create support resistance zones, establishing clear battlegrounds. Only when the market has painted that picture can you make a trading decision based on data, not emotion. This is the essence of professional trading, and it's the complete opposite of trying to catch tops and bottoms based on gut feelings or FOMO. And the next part, waiting, the golden key for scalpers. If there's one most important keyword in trading the price action, it is waiting. We need to wait for price action to form, creating clear structure. Impatience is the number one enemy of every trader, especially scalpers. You will find that the market spent about 80% of its time moving sideways or with unclear volatility. Only about 20% of the time does it have a strong trend offering a clear opportunities. A professional scalper doesn't trade constantly. They wait for beautiful setups, for important bright zones to appear, and only act with confirmation. Waiting doesn't mean doing nothing. Waiting means observing, analyzing, and preparing. You can use this time to analyze larger time frames, check the economic data, or simply keep your mind calm. Now, let's talk about one of the hardest truths of trading. Trading is a game of probability. No matter how thoroughly you analyze or how perfect your strategy is, you can never be 100% accurate. There will always be a losing trade, and that's an avoidable part of the game. Because of this truth, money management and risk management become more important than ever. If you don't manage your capital tightly, a string of consecutive losing trades can wipe out your account. A professional trader never tries to win every trade. Instead, they focus on winning big when they're right and losing small when they're wrong. This is the difference between a gambler and a business owner. A gambler bets everything on one hand with the hope of a 100% win. A business owner understands that every decision has a probability, and they manage their capital to ensure they can survive hundreds or even thousands of different scenarios. After understanding the mindset of price action trading, the importance of waiting, and the probabilistic nature of the market, we will now delve into an aspect that can determine 90% of your success, live trading psychology. When you are about to place a trade, you are no longer just an observer. You are stepping into a real battle against your own emotions. A professional scalper is not just a good analyst. They must also be a master of psychological management. So, how can we effectively control our emotions every time we go into a battle with trading? First up, pre-trade preparation, a pre-battle checklist. Before placing any trade, ask yourself these questions. Is the strategy clear? Am I following the exact entry rules that I already backtested? Or am I trying just to trade based on a hunch? Is the risk calculated? Are my stop loss and take profits levels already set? And does my lot size conform to my 1% risk per trade rule? Is my mental state stable? Am I feeling anxious, stressed, or overexcited? Remember, you only trade when your mind is completely calm. If the answer to any of these questions is no, then stop. Don't trade. Treat this as your unbreakable rule. And second step, during the trade, the mantra of discipline. Once you enter a trade, the most difficult part is not analysis, but maintaining discipline. There are two things you absolutely must not do. Never move your stop loss against your trade's direction. When you set a stop loss, it means you have accepted that levels of risk. Moving your stop loss only shows that you're trying to hold onto a losing trade, a fatal mistake in scalping. And second, don't move your take profit before it's reached. Don't close the trade too early just because you see a small profit. Trust your analysis and let's see the market do its job. Picture this way, once you enter the trade, you hand it over all decision making to your trading plan. Your only job is to observe and not interfere. This helps you stay away from temptations of greed and fear. And the third step, post-trade, the aftermath routine. Regardless of whether your trade wins or losses, always have a post-trade routine. If it's a win, don't get overly excited. Record your result and analyze why the trade was successful. If it's a loss, don't get discouraged. Instead, treat it like a golden lesson and analyze it thoroughly in your trade journal. Learn to accept both wins and losses with calmness, because the true nature of the financial market is the movement of the greed and fear of the crowd, and your job is to detach yourself from those emotions to become a true price action business owner, a professional scalper. In summary, if you want to become a professional and consistently profitable scalper, you need to change your mindset. View trading as a price action business where patience and discipline are almost valuable assets. Learn to wait for the market to show you clear battlegrounds and only act when you have confirmations. And as usual, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nova Scalper channel so you don't miss the next top tier gold trading secrets. Happy trading and see you in the next video.